So what is Power BI? You've probably heard about it. It's a big buzzword at the moment, and everyone seems to be talking about it and wanting to use it. And if you've been asked to use Power BI, you might be asking yourself, why can't I just keep using Excel? What's so special about Power BI? So I'll admit, Power BI does sound very technical, but it's actually a self-service tool that you can use to access the information you need in a way that works best for you. And you can use it to access the data directly across a variety of systems. And you can also create some fantastic looking visuals that allow you to see this information in new ways. Now, if you're in a position where you need to keep on top of updates on an order or process, Power BI will give you the interactive access to the data you need to stay ahead of the game and make more decisions more quickly. Power BI will also allow you to pull in data from multiple sources and applications, and even traditional Excel files or websites. And the best part of Power BI is that it's fully cloud-based, which means you can access it completely in the cloud using your web browser without the need to install any additional software. Additionally, you can start creating dashboards and reports that automatically update every time you log in. Lastly, one of the most powerful tools in Power BI is the ability to share reports. So you can build a report, borrow reports, and build on other people's progress. All in all, I think you're going to find Power BI very easy to use, and I think you're going to find it a fantastic tool to help you with your job. And you might actually have fun doing it at the same time. So how do you log into Power BI? Really easy, actually. Simply open up your browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. You can start by typing powerbi.com into the address bar. This is going to take you to the login screen. From here, simply type in your email address. This is most likely going to be your normal work email address if you're using this for work purposes. And there you go, you're logged in. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, take some time to play around with the system. If you're new to Power BI, there may not be much to see at first. One of the best places to start is the Learn section. From here, you can even see a variety of different visualizations people have contributed. I find this is a great place to start if you're just really looking to see what Power BI can do. So, I hope this quick overview of Power BI helps, and I look forward to helping you navigate and learn it during your journey. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as always, keep learning.